What's up, guys? On this video you're gonna see how I customize my very own front license plate delete. The reason why I customized my very own is because first of all, I like to do things myself. I like projects like this, the whole art side of it and creating your own things. I like doing that to my cars. And then second of all, because I wanted to have my own design on the plate delete, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I did check out a couple of sites that did customized work for delete plates, but they were a little expensive and I didn't think I was gonna actually like the way they came out. So I tried it out myself and I'm pretty happy with the outcome, so check it out. And if you can see, I'm a Venom fan, so that's what I went ahead and designed it, the plate delete with the Venom logo. And I want to take it to Subi Fest, and I wanted to make sure my car had a little theme. So my car is all black, has a couple little accents that I wanted to kind of go ahead and customize it for this whole look. So hope you guys enjoy this video.